Hello everyone, how do we install a closet system or a room divider system? This is the top track. We're going to secure the top track to the ceiling or to the header with self-tapping screws. So in other words, you're going to screw them in. Depending on the size, depending on the dimension, you're looking at 6 to 10 screws. 2, etc. If it's a very long one, if it's a very long track, you're going to receive 2 pieces of track that you're going to butt them up against each other. We have a seam afterwards to cover the seam. But anyway, let's go back. Screws inside the top track. Then you have a bottom track. Come closer. So I'm standing inside, let's say, the bedroom, where it says back. This is facing the inside of the bedroom. The front is facing the outside of the bedroom. Thank you. You can go back. So we're going to put the ramp. We're going to slide it in, just like that, on both sides. Again, back and front. We're going to flip it, put some clear silicone all the way here, all the way there, flip it, which is going to be right under the top track. And we're going to let it sit. We're going to install the top wheels. The top wheels are coming in just like that. You're going to have a screw. Very important. Make sure to screw this in. Once it's screwed, the top wheels will never get loose. Now we're going to install this, the top wheels, inside the top track and let the panel rest right on top of the bottom track. We're going to lift the panel just a hair, install the bottom wheel inside the groove, and then just like this. So here, come a little closer with the video. Okay, so the hook goes here inside, just like that. And then we're going to put the screw in here. We're going to do the same thing with the other bottom wheel. Screw it in, and that's it. It needs to ride super smooth. Next step is to align the panel. You have here these 2 black screws. This is to align the panel flush with the wall, so you can tilt it however you need or however you want. Once this is done, we're going to put the covers, so everything is, you click it in basically, so everything is nice and clean. Oops, there we go. And then we're going to put the seam cover. You put a little bit of silicone right here. It's going to go right here where the seam is between both top tracks. You're going to put one in the front and one in the back. And this shouldn't take you very long. Thank you very much.